Find or read reviews that people are talking about VoxSoul Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 headphones with microphone. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Open-ear earbuds design ultimate comfort. Achieves the real nothing in your ear and aims to deliver superior sound to you in a natural, comfortable way. Gently placed on the ear. No weight or shaking will be shake. The combination of memory steel wire and liquid silicone. Suitable for ears of any size, providing you with just the right amount of comfort. Perfect for running, workout, and outdoor sports. Immersive listening experience. VoxSoul OWS Bluetooth headphones upgrade your listening experience with the new diaphragm structure, which ensures a smooth and graceful high pitch and a deep and powerful bass. The open-ear design and dual high-quality 16.2mm drivers create a broad sound stage that envelopes the listener in a fully immersive audio environment. Situational awareness. The open-ear Bluetooth headphones design is engineered for both comfort and safety, offering a breathable and open fit. Stay connected with your favorite audio and your surroundings at the same time. Safer to use in outdoor activities. Freeing your hands from holding a phone while allowing independent use of each earbuds. Environmental noise cancellation. Wireless open-ear headphones built in 2 microphones provide crystal clear HD stereo sound. Accurately pick up your voice for flawless hands-free calls. It can effectively suppress 90% of reverse environmental noise, allowing game players to have more free voice communication. Up to 42 hours playtime. Open-ear headphones large capacity battery case supports 4 times fully charging for the open-ear earbuds and let you enjoy more than 12 hours use time. The slim charging case is convenient to carry with you, and the headphones have a total battery life of up to 55 hours, ensuring uninterrupted listening for extended periods. Bluetooth 5.3. Bluetooth earbuds ensure a strong and stable connection with your device, providing a Bluetooth transmission speed of 5.3 for seamless and lag-free audio transmission. Low power consumption, and low latency. Bringing a better user experience. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.